Welcome to English class with me. In this series, we are going to learn some easy ways to use sentence connectors. This class has been prescribed for the learners of class 11, lecture 2. I would like to tell you that I have already given you some guidelines on using sentence connectors in my lecture 1. In this stage, I am going to show you some techniques on how to use sentence connectors in a passage. Let's go for practical class. Man is a social being. Man cannot live alone. If you make an analysis on the idea, man cannot live alone, you will see that an emphasis is given on the idea. We know that when an emphasis is given on an idea, we use in fact. So, here the answer will be in fact. Question number B. Man has been living together from the time memorial. The idea. Man has been living together from the time memorial is the result of the previous idea, man cannot live alone. For showing result, we use as a result, therefore, so, etc. Here the answer will be as a result. Or you can use any one, the connectors which show the result. Living in society is not an easy task. If we want to live in a society, we have to follow certain rules and regulations of the society. From this idea, we can say that we are going for an sequence. Question number C. We have to be cooperative. This shows an sequence. In context of the previous idea, so our answer will be first of all. Question number D. We must help others when they are in need. If you make a comparative study between the idea given in C and the idea given in D, you will find that the idea given in D is the alternative of the idea given in the C. So here our answer will be in other words. Question number E. We have to be careful not to hurt others by our words or activities. This is also a sequence. So here we can use secondly. Question number F. We must control our emotions and behave well with others. This idea is opposite to the previous idea, to hurt others by our words or activities. So, here we can use on the contrary. Question number G. We must not think and live only for us. This is also the sequence in context of the previous ideas. So here we can use finally. Question number 8. We should always work for the betterment of the society. This idea is the alternative idea of the previous idea. We should not think and live only for us. So here we can use instead. Question number I. We remain prepared to sacrifice our lives for the greater interest of the society. This idea is the result of the ideas given before. So here we can use that is to why. Question number G. Sacrificing our lives for others can make us immortal. Actually, on this idea, an emphasis is given finally, that is a stronger or more surprising point is indicated or introduced here. For this reason, we can use here indeed. That's all. Your homework will be this passage. Please write your answer in the comment box. You must show the logic against your answer. At this moment, I would like to tell you that when you justify a connector between two ideas, you must find out the relationship between the ideas, the idea given before and the idea given after. Thanks for giving attention to my class.